Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Connect the Unavailable iPhone to a computer using a reliable cable and open Finder, macOS Catalina Plus, or iTunes, Windows/macOS Mojave and earlier. If asked, enter your Apple ID and password to establish trust. Once done, force the device into recovery mode. This is the gateway to reinstalling iOS when the screen or passcode is unavailable. Make sure the computer recognizes the phone. If it doesn't, try a different USB port or cable. Before you need to perform the exact button sequence for your model to show recovery mode. Volume up, volume down, then hold side for newer iPhones or home plus side for older models. Once Finder or iTunes detects recovery mode, choose Restore, not Update. Restore erases and reinstalls iOS so you can regain a usable system. The app will download the firmware and install it. This can take several minutes to over an hour depending on your connection, so be patient and keep the phone connected. After the restore completes, the iPhone will restart and display the setup assistant. Follow prompts to set language, Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Apple ID. If activation lock appears and you can't provide credentials, you'll need Apple to remove it with proof of purchase. If the restore fails or gets stuck, try DFU mode for a lower-level restore, switch networks, or use another computer. Once done, try again. If problems persist, contact Apple support and have purchase documentation ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.